teams are playing so annoying, like out and fight.
Big weapon.
Flashbang grenade.
No. Gonna watch. He's on the roof. I was just here for backup, just in case.